Welcome to another Simple Dad Facebook Messenger tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to switch user on Facebook Messenger or it keeps asking you to switch. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. Are you facing an issue in Facebook Messenger where you're unable to switch user or keep asking you to switch? Then you're not alone, as there are a lot of other users who are having the same issue. So let's have a look at the steps you can take to resolve this. So the first step is to update your Messenger app to the latest version. You can go into your App Store or your Play Store and update your Messenger if there is an update available. After the update, go ahead and retry Facebook Messenger to see if this resolves your issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The second step is to clear your cache. Unfortunately, you can only do this on an Android phone. To clear cache on an Android phone, go into your settings, then apps, then find Facebook Messenger app, then tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache. This will clear cache, and for iPhones, you need to delete the whole app and re-download it again. After the clear cache, go ahead and retry Facebook Messenger to see if this has resolved your issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The third step is to try logging out and logging back into your Facebook Messenger account. After you've done that, go ahead and try opening up Facebook Messenger and see if this resolved the issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The fourth step is to restart your device and then try Messenger on Wi-Fi only or mobile network only. After this, try opening Facebook Messenger and see if this resolved the issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The fifth step is to download the old version of Facebook Messenger. Maybe the current version of Facebook Messenger app is not compatible with your device. Please see a link in the description of this video of the old Facebook Messenger. Before you download and install it, make sure you uninstall the current version on your phone. After installing the old version, go ahead and try opening up Facebook Messenger and see if this resolved the issue. If not, then go ahead and move on to the next step. In the last step, if the issue still exists, then this is due to a bug in Facebook Messenger or the Facebook Messenger server is down. You can confirm this by going on to downdetector.com website and searching for Facebook Messenger. Here, study the graph, as this will give you an indication of how many people are affected. If this is confirmed that there is a bug or server is down, then there is no fix and you'll just have to wait until the issue has been resolved by the Facebook team. Hopefully, by following all my steps which I've mentioned in this video will help you resolve your issue with Facebook Messenger. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.